everyone, I am Swani Patel from MSc1. Today I am presenting seminar of inorganic chemistry on the topic of organosilicon compound. Let's introduce with organosilicon compounds. What are organosilicon compound? A compound which contain carbon silicon bond are called organosilicon compounds. Organosilicon chemistry is the corresponding science of their preparation and properties. Most organosilicon compounds are similar to the ordinary organic compound, being colorless, flammable, hydrophobic and stable to air. Due to hydrophobic nature of organosilicon compound, it have number of applications that we will discuss later. Organosilicon compound have unique and moderate reactivities. How they are unique and moderate reactivity, that also we will discuss in later slides. They are readily available and comparatively less toxic. Now we will see properties of organosilicon compounds. In most organosilicon compounds, silicon is tetravalent with tetrahedral molecular geometry. Carbon silicon bond is longer as compared to carbon-carbon bond. Due to longer bond of carbon silicon, there is weaker bond dissociation energy of carbon silicon. The carbon silicon bond is polar due to carbon have greater electronegativity than silicon. The silicon carbon bond are broken more easily than carbon-carbon bond because above we discussed that carbon silicon bond is polar. That's why carbon possesses a partial negative charge, silicon possesses a partial positive charge. Here a silicon acts as an electrophile. That's why any nucleophile can attack easily on silicon, and silicon have higher affinity to attracts towards electronegativity atom such as fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Certain alkyl can be oxidized to form alcohol in the Fleming Tamo oxidation. Another property of organosilicon compounds are stabilizing effect of beta silicon atom. As we know, silicon carbon are stabilized by sigma bond, but here silicon and carbocation are stabilized by hyperconjugation between carbocation and 3d empty orbital of silicon. Silicon oxygen bond are much stronger than carbon and oxygen single bond. The favorable formation of silicon oxygen bonds derive many organic reactions such as Burke rearrangement and Peterson olefination. Peterson olefination is one of the applications in which we form alkene from carbonyl compound, that we will see in application part. Now we will see important role of organosilicon compound in reaction. Why we are studying organosilicon compound? The main role of organosilicon compound is to protect functional group like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. It acts as a protecting or deprotecting agent. Whenever there is an organosilicon compound like TMSCl, which is mostly used in reaction, then we should know the role of TMSCl. So here is a reaction where alcohol is a reactant and reagent is used as TMSCl. Then what is the role of this? Is it will protect a oxygen atom and it will form this type of product. And now by using any deprotecting agent like TBAF, it will get easily removed. TBAF full form is tetrabutyl ammonia fluoride. So in this way this part is protected and by using this reagent, this silyling agent is deprotected. That's why we say they have a unique and moderate reactivity. They does not take part in the reaction, they only protect that functional group. Another role of organosilicon compound is to protect terminal carbon. Here organosilicon compound is protecting terminal carbon. Here triple bond is there, no reaction is occur on triple bond, only it's protecting a terminal carbon. So whenever any reaction there is a presence of organosilicon compound, you should know the role that it's only protect your functional group and can easily remove by adding any deprotecting agent. Here is also one reaction which protect an oxygen. Now we will see types of protecting agent. What are the organosilicon protecting agent? First is TMSCl, trimethyl chlorosilane, where silicon atom is attached to 3 methyl group and 1 chlorine. That structure is called TMSCl, which is most commonly used organosilicon compound in reaction. Next is silicon containing 1 tertiary butyl group, 2 methyl group and 1 chlorine. That structure is called TBDMCl, tertiary butyl dimethyl chlorosilane, is another protecting agent. Next is silicon containing 2 phenyl group, 1 methyl group and 1 chlorine. That structure is called DPMSCl, diphenyl methyl chlorosilane. Another is silicon containing 1 tertiary butyl group, 2 phenyl group and 1 chlorine. That structure is called TBDPSCl, tertiary butyl diphenyl chlorosilane. Next is silicon containing 3 isopropyl group and 1 chlorine. That structure is called TIPSCl, triisopropyl chlorosilane. These are the type of protecting agent which play an important role to protect a functional group in reaction. Now we will move further and see preparation method of organosilicon compounds. There are the two methods. First is direct method, which is also known as Rorschach process. In this process, alkyl chloride is directly react with silicon atom in presence of copper to form organosilicon compound, which is named as dimethyl dichlorosilane. Next preparation is from Renard reagent, where SiCl4 is react with 3 mole of Renard reagent MeMgCl in presence of copper, forming trimethyl chloride, which is TMSCl. Now we will see classification of organosilicon compounds. Here are the classification of organosilicon compound. First is allylic silane, next is vinyl silane, third is aryl silane. So allylic silane means जो भी SiR3 जिस कार्बन से अटैच है उसके एडजेसेंट कार्बन पे डबल बॉन्ड होता है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं एलाइलिक सिलेन। विनाइल सिलेन कब बोलते हैं? जो भी SiR3 फंक्शनल ग्रुप है उसके पास वाला उसके एडजेसेंट कार्बन पे डबल बॉन्ड होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं विनाइलिक सिलेन। थर्ड अराइलिक सिलेन क्या है? जो SiR3 जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप है वो डायरेक्टली एक एरोमेटिक रिंग के साथ अटैच है उसको बोलते हैं अराइल सिलेन। नेक्स्ट इज ट्राइसाइक्लो डाइमिथाइल सिलेक्सोन। तो सिलेक्सोन मीन्स क्या है कि सिलिकॉन और ऑक्सीजन में बॉन्ड दिखेगा। यहाँ पे ट्राइस सिलिकॉन है, यहाँ पे 3 सिलिकॉन है और हर एक सिलिकॉन के पास हर एक सिलिकॉन 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप से अटैच है। तो इस स्ट्रक्चर को हम बोलते हैं ट्राइसाइक्लो डाइमिथाइल सिलेक्सोन। नेक्स्ट इज टेट्रा किस साइक्लोडाइमिथाइल सिलेक्सोन। तो यहाँ पे 4 सिलिकॉन एटम है जो कि 4 ऑक्सीजन से अटैच है। हर एक सिलिकॉन एटम 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप से अटैच है। तो ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर को हम बोलते हैं टेट्रा किस साइक्लोडाइमिथाइल सिलेक्सोन। दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनोसिलिकॉन कंपाउंड। This is also another organosilicon compound which is silyl enone ether. Now we will see occurrence of organosilicon compounds. Organosilicon compounds are widely encountered in commercial products. Here are some most commercial products are sealants, chalkers, adhesive and coating made from silicon. Sealants are the sealing agents. Other important use include agriculture and plants control, commonly used in conjunction with herbicide and fungicide. Now we will move further and see application of organosilicon compound. Peterson olefination is one of the application of organosilicon compound which is used to form alkene. Conversion of carbonyl compound into alkene by using alpha-silyl carbanion in presence of acid and base. So, formation of alkene, organosilicon compound is used. Another application of organosilicon compound can be applied directly in the form of monomeric compound. It can be also made into silicon polymer through hydrolysis and polymerizations. As a kind of monomer, it can be used as the silating agent as well as being used for covering the surface of material, moisture protection of the electrical insulating material. As in introduction we discussed that organosilicon compound is hydrophobic, that's why it is used in moisture protection. Anti-adhesive of particular material, organic synthesis, the material separation as a coupling agent. It can be used for improve the adhesion between resins or rubber and other material, improving the mechanical property of plastic and rubber and waterproof performance. Here waterproof performance is due to which nature? Hydrophobic nature. Force of attraction between two different molecules is greater or binding is greater. That's why organosilicon compound improve the mechanical property of plastic and rubber. It can be used as a paint additive. It can be used for preparation of silicone oil by polydimethyl siloxane. Using in cosmetic, lubricant, deformers, water repellent, leather softener, releasing agent, heat transfer media and hydraulic oil. It can also be used for insulating paint, filter, inorganic fiber binders, waterproofing agent, anti-corrosion coating in the form of silicone resins. It can be applied to gas chromatography and mass spectrometry. It can also be applied to drugs of boosting hair growth and anti-cancer drugs when being applied in the form of polymer. These are the application of organosilicon compounds. Thank you.